So we're here at Kingsley Commons on a very sunny and windy day, and we are here celebrating Earth Day, celebrating getting kids and families out here learning all about the environment and how to protect it.
It's like a community fair. So from each table, you learn about the environment, like ways to save energy, how to recycle, as well as like if you want to volunteer for any kind of service to help with the community, you learn how to do that as well.
This is the first year we've been able to bring it into the community where our community lives and to partner with the agencies and the groups who oversee the community.
So Comunidad is here because we wanted to showcase a number of our programs and also listen to the community. We're starting a second location here in the Kingsley Commons area. But one of the programs that we're showcasing today is our Strong Readers, Strong Leaders program. And so because today is Earth Day, we wanted the kids to come in, learn about Earth and animals. And so we were able to bring a lot of our books so that students could read them.
We live on this earth and we have to take care of it, that's for sure. I think the best thing we can do to take care of our earth is to start educating people as early as possible. So I do love to work with young kids and let them know ahead of time, and that's why we brought this event here, so we can have more chances for people to know about it.